Judgment Day. Different thing for me today. TKIRKMEDIA here, checking in. We're in Tempe. We're at Arizona State. Lot 59. My dream. Finish my engineering degree here in the next 3 years. I'm gonna make it happen. It's got a lot of work ahead of me, but we're taking some shots today. I say we're, we, me, myself, and another one. Got another YouTuber here out today, bros, by the name of wavy. And if you haven't heard of his channel, go ahead and go and check him out right away. He's got an 8th gen Civic he's been working on for some minute. And he thought it'd be cool if we kind of did like an interview kind of thing, talk about my car, talk about his car, bounce ideas back. And I thought, what better way to bring out the new freshly painted hood and fender. Car's looking all right. I think the headlights are still on currently. I should shut those off. Oh, I guess they're not. Well, it's the glare off the windows onto the headlights, so that's dope. It's beautiful out here. 78 degrees when I was cruising out here earlier. So yeah, got the new sticker on. Thanks, Arizona Decals. And make sure to hit them up for all your decal needs. So at least on the fly, everything I do is on the fly, done. Thank you, sir. Dakota, appreciate it. So yeah, and the car's looking dirty. I got spots down here. Look at that. It's gross. So I gotta like quick detail some stuff before Vic gets here. I'm trying to get some pictures real quick. But yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. I don't know, it's kind of a different, maybe a Sunday vlog out here in Tempe, Arizona with the sun rising. So enjoy it. Yeah, it's not so, I mean, it's 50 shades of white by comparison to yours, but
mine is 50 shades of white.
I don't know, man. It's a lot better looking white.
I don't know, dude.
This looks good, man. For sure.
So I'm thinking like across the lake, the marina over there.
Yeah.
If you want to go over there.
I wherever you want to go, man. I'm fine with that.
And I'll probably start the vlog now, and then we can get over
For
there.
sure. You good, bro? And then do this interview or how he wants to go about it, but I'm just gonna wing it. Where is this turn? I don't know that he's been to this spot, but might take this as a photography day and kind of practice my photography. You guys are along for the ride. I think I'll just leave you as a dash cam for now, and then if I have any thing to add to it later, I will. But we're cruising. I've got my polarized lens. I'm gonna try some shots with that, see if I can reduce the glare off the windows and really practice that shot today. I'd like to get better at photography, because if I want to be able to sell the channel, I need to be able to shoot images of the photography. So hopefully get it right. This is like one of my favorite spots in Tempe to shoot photos at. Is this Marina place? Been here a few times. It just has the cool State Farm window panes and shit. So I'm gonna get over here on this curb more, out of his way, so we can get some cool shots. But I hope these turned out. This new polarizing thing is pretty cool, but dude, it surprises me. Security already though. Damn. Where am I? A city within a city? That's two. That's two. Two of them. They ain't letting us stay. Viewership back in. We're trying to get through this city, but we're just getting these red lights, dude. Oh my god, every single light out here today. But it's a beautiful day, Sunday morning. We're out here with Vic Wavy. We just got an interview done. We're doing some cruising. I got some photography done. I got just all around level ups. we're working on the channel, we're working on some gains, we want some viewership, and we're gonna try to just collaborate in the future and do some cool Honda content. Everybody loves Honda content, nothing wrong with it. I love the Honda. And yeah, his setup's pretty sweet. It's an 8th gen Civic that he's looking to do pretty much an FD2 Type R replica, and it's cool. It's a cool setup, man. And I have a lot of respect for people who kind of keep it like the OEM, JDM, purist look, man. And I think he's on the right track.
All these memories, they show me a sign. Future gonna be fine. Did it by design. If you ain't with me, then you just history. Open up my book, I write my own story.
Good vibes only today, boys. Great experience with Vic. Make sure you check out Vic's channel. I'm gonna put the link in the description. He's gonna be posting an interview in the next few days. I don't know what his schedule is, but really appreciate him having me out, interviewing me and talking about the cars. It's a lot of work I put into the car, into the channel, and he recognizes that I've been working and he's been working, everybody's been working. So what we're gonna do in the future, days and months to come, we're gonna continue to try to collaborate and help us where we can. We wanna grow our channels together and grow, just everybody wants to grow as mechanics, as people, just in general in this small little fishbowl we live in. So yeah, it's gonna turn out good. I think you guys should check it out. I think you're missing out if you don't check it out. And I'll probably link that video description, actually, probably in the description at some point as well. But man, what a nice day. As long as I get on the 60 right here, we're cruising, we're making pay dirt. I'm avoiding the weather. We have some really cool shots. Yes, victory is ours. All right, it's time to get on the freeway. Well, if you hadn't already, you should have subscribed. But if you hadn't, you will now, right? Because you're with it, you're engaged. Subscribe for more. Comment below, like, whatever you want to do. Tell your friends, tell your mom's friends. Hit my line if you have questions. TKIRKMEDIA is signing off.
Just to get your fame up now. People turn to memories, I ain't sorry. Friendly enemies come at you with an army. Oh, I'm gonna be straight forever, long as I got that. All black paddock, we on our time. Ballin' like the Magic, been on our grind. All these memories, they show me